Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the concrete slab column connection with interior voids. See, these are the interior voids. Let me make this free edge to have a better view. See the voids inside the concrete. This sphere are the voids in the concrete. Let me use this option. It is better. And these are the voids in the concrete. Then we have let me remove the concrete. We have the reinforcement steel and also a steel plate to improve the punching shear behavior of the concrete slab. Let me check the tension damage first. See, this is a tension damage under low velocity impact, and if I click on this, in this view you can see the damage propagation in the voided slab column connection. These are the voids in the concrete. Or compression damage, or a stiffness degradation, or a stress. Let me replace the steel reinforcement. See, this is the stress in the steel reinforcement. Okay, if we use a string damage, see here in the string damage we have element removal here. See, this is element remove and they reach the maximum value. Also here at the bottom, see the damage and element deletion happen. You can see it here. See, if we use damage model, and then this is the compression damage, stiffness degradation, or the stress. And again, let me replace the steel reinforcement. You can see we use JC damage for them, but the JC damage is too, see, it is not about also 1%. It is very low, and that means the steel has a good resistance against the impact, and it improves the punching behavior of the concrete, voided concrete slab in this model. So if you want to do something similar to this model, you can use this tutorial here. You can provide this tutorial. How? First, come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Find the English tutorial here, click on a title or blue sign or here. Then you will have title, an introduction, the assemble of the parts. These are the voids and the plate and steel reinforcement. And then some features and application, then the result as figures you can see. You can provide this simulation contains CAE, INP, and English video file step by step. The price is 26 euros. Our payment method are all cryptocurrencies like Tether, Bitcoin, Tron, or anything, or PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. Before payment, send us an email to tell you about the payment process, the tutorial content, or if you have any question, then we will answer you. For now, thank you for your attention.